Hi everyone, this is Jonelle Ocloo of the Law Offices of Jonelle Ocloo, Lojo Immigration. I'm here to talk about immigration and the government shutdown. We've been getting a lot of questions here at Lojo Immigration, people asking what's going to happen to their immigration case if and when the federal government shuts down. So here are a few tips for all of you. Honestly, for the most part, most immigration-related agencies will remain open even during a federal government shutdown. The main one is USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. USCIS is a fee-funded agency. So folks, all those filing fees that you pay for your immigration petitions and applications, that's what's used to run the agency. So USCIS will continue to function even in a government shutdown. So please, if you have your appointment notices for your immigration interviews, either for adjustment of status or for naturalization, you need to go to your interview, okay? So don't think that because the federal government shut down, you can skip your immigration interview. You need to go. Also, the same thing, if you have an appointment for biometrics processing, you need to go for your biometrics appointment to have your fingerprints taken, okay? Other immigration related agencies such as ICE, that's Immigration and Customs Enforcement, as well as CBP, Customs and Border Protection, they are considered essential agencies. So they're also going to be running even in the midst of a government shutdown because we need to have border patrol. There need to be people working the United States borders, even if there's a government shutdown. So that is not going to change. So some immigration programs that probably will be affected by this government shutdown are, for example, parts of the Department of Labor that deal with immigration. So, for example, processing of perm labor certifications, also labor conditions applications, LCAs, which are necessary for the H-1B filings, as well as H-2As, H-2Bs, that probably will be affected if there is a federal government shutdown, that perm cases are not going to be processed or approved. The same thing for LCAs. So for people who are waiting on an LCA in order to file your H-1B, there will be a disruption there. Okay, so folks, there you have it. For most of the immigration functions of the federal government, they're going to continue even in the midst of a shutdown. So please go to those immigration interviews. And thanks so much for tuning in. And as always, please leave us your comments as well as questions. And we may be answering one of your questions at one of our next tapings. Take care.